Hello po, I am Mariel Perez, the CEO of Brain Dynasty.
Hello, I am Bernardine Silva, CEO of Secrets. What can I do to help you?
So we've noticed that all of the packaging of your products were made out of plastic. So we will take this opportunity to introduce our company's offerings. Take a look.
As of now, my company doesn't have plans yet on changing our products packaging. But I will accept your offer and set a meeting together with my financial, sales, and marketing managers to discuss this matter.
So do you have a color card?
Here po. I will call you once we've decided to change our products packaging. You will be the first one that I will call once we finalize our decision.
Thank you for considering our offer. I'm hoping to work with you soon.
Have you seen the viral TikTok video na kumakalat ngayon sa different social media platforms tungkol sa company natin?
Actually, nakita ko po yun and nakita ko po yung mga comments and reactions ng netizens na nag-agree sila dun sa TikTok influencer sa naging review natin. We should be more eco-friendly and i-consider natin yung mga hazards ng paggamit ng plastic.
Yung video na yun ay ginawa ng isang famous TikTok influencer na kilala sa kanyang green advocacy. Nagkaroon ng 1 million views and more than 200,000 comments and shares. And since marami na nakapanood, sa tingin ko, maaaring maharap yung company natin sa threats.
Actually, since sabi ko nga na yung nakita ko yung mga comments ng mga tao, I think we should. Kasi yung pag-use nga ng plastic, like I said earlier, na hazardous talaga siya sa environment. And gets ko yung point nung TikTok influencer na nagkikare siya dun sa environment natin. Na ayun, napalitan yung plastic packaging natin.
No, ma'am, kasi yung sa plastic packaging natin, mas maganda siya tingnan. Mas mukha siyang presentable. Halimbawa na lang, ako bumili ako sa isang store, nakita nila kung ano yung binili ko. Mas pwede silang maengganyo bumili din na, at makakatulong to sa marketing strategies natin. Oo, tama po siya na huwag nang palitan yung packaging kasi mas matibay yung plastic and hindi hassle sa mga commuters.
Punta sa office last week. She's the CEO of Print Dynasty and nag-offer siya ng packaging made out of box and paper. So, have a look on this one.
Bakit mo hindi ko consider yung opinions nila? Eh, kilala and kumikita na rin naman na tayo.
That's wrong dahil we should be open for criticisms para sa ikagaganda ng company natin.
Oo nga naman, magandang magpalit na lang tayo ng packaging. Dahil bukod sa kumikita tayo, nakakatulong pa tayo sa environment.
To be fair, let's vote if payag ba kayo na palitan yung packaging natin into boxes. So, payag ba kayo na palitan yung boxes natin? Sino yung mga payag? Majority means we will start the production in the next 2 months. Sales manager, please contact the CEO of Print Dynasty and let her know about the finalization of our decision.